This back fender on the Mooncool TK1 folding E-Trike was making a rattling sound. All I had to do was tighten these screws. Now when I first started tightening the screws, I said, oh well, they're tight, but they were just sort of what do you call it, like dry stuck or something. You know how it feels like, oh, it's tight. No, it wasn't. So I put a little pressure on it, and then they started tightening down again. You keep on going, but you don't want to go too far, because then you're going to put a dent in the fender. But just tighten them down, and this fender stopped making a rattling noise. So just tighten these screws. That's all you have to do. I'm Lighthouse. This is the Mooncool TK1 folding E-Trike. Get yourself one. Not a bad price. There you go. 53.6. Pedal assist 1, where brakes are off. It's gone.